telling. But before we take off, there's one thing we always do. Check the boat. And thanks to BoatBot, it's easier than ever. Let's take a look. Engine, perfect. Runs like a dream. Fuel, 85%, plenty for our trip. Water levels, all good. Everything is in the green. But it's not just about the numbers. It's about the peace of mind, knowing our boat is ready to go. And speaking of peace of mind, BoatBot even checks the weather for Newport Beach. Oh, and here's a cool feature. BoatFax keeps a history of our boat's health. Last service, 3 months ago. No accidents. Hull is solid. It's like having a boat's medical record, but way easier. No guessing, no stress, just boating.